Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to make your iPad as a second screen for your Windows PC. Go to the website Space Desk and click on the download button. All links will be in the description below. Click on the right version for your computer. For me it is Windows 10 64-bit. I am not installing it because I already have. Once you've installed it, open the app. Click on the three dots here. You can turn the app on or off. Now we have to switch to the iPad or Android tablet. Sorry for the bad recordings. Go to the App Store and search for Space Desk. Download Space Desk, and when it's installed, open it. Now click on the IP address of your computer. Now you have your Apple or Android device as a second screen. You can connect multiple devices to Space Desk. In real life it looks like this. Space Desk works best if you have fast internet. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.